Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, and welcome back to another week of lunch video. That's my toddler in the background, so you know you're at the right spot. I need to go grocery shopping because I'm running out of food. That's the reason why we have mini bagels, because the kids don't really eat them. I don't know if I should replace them this week in the grocery. I'm going grocery shopping today, so I don't know if I should put them on the list, but I like them. So they're gonna have that, and then I didn't put cream cheese. I have some peanut butter. Yes, toddler. Okay, I'm coming. Got some pretzel, yogurt tube, and what is that? Mandarin orange and peanut butter, like I stated, and their water. Somebody's missing the water. I think it's Jordan because he's down here sorting through containers that they made a mess of. And then Jackson's having the same thing. I love these little containers because they're good for just, you know, little stuff. I ordered some new containers, so you guys are gonna see for next year though. It's not for this year. So I ordered some new containers. Hey, calm down. I ordered some new containers from Bento Fresh. Yes, from Bento, but it's instead of the Bento kits, because I have the Bento kits. But I ordered the Bento Fresh because it's a little bit bigger in the compartment. Well, let me show you guys. Let me see that. Yeah, that. No, the other one. Yeah. So this is the Bento kits, and I know you guys probably don't want to see it or whatever, but this is the Bento kits, and this is the one I have. I have two of these, and then I have. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so you see the compartment right here, how small it is. The Bento Fresh comes up to about here, and it doesn't have this little round spot, and it has two small sides. Compared to the Bento kits, I prefer it because it's not so small. These are hard to work with. And then I have, let me see that Yum box. This one. This Yum box I have for Jackson when he was in pre-K, I believe. And this is the original, and the flap on it is kind of loose. So when I send stuff with him, even though this is a leak-proof container, the flap comes loose. So you hear how it didn't lock? It's not sealed. It just, that's how the flap goes. And then it comes loose over time, and then the stuff gets leaks. The stuff gets out. So I don't know if I have to have them. And then let me see the other one underneath. And then I have this one for Destiny. This is the Papa. And then I have different insert for her. But I find that I don't draw for this one because of the size. It's, if I can get it open. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that. The size, I mean, it's decent portion, and I can fit different things. I even have, where's the inserts? Never mind. I have two other inserts for this, and it's too big. It's too big, but I know which other ones I'm gonna order. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. So let's get back. I think this is Jordan. But I draw for the Sistema more than I do my other expensive boxes. And then I'm going to get an Umi box just to try it out. And then, who else? I have a couple people lined up. I have Planet Box, I have Umi box, I have Bento Fresh, Yum box. I know the size that I want to order and stuff like that. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Welcome back. I don't know what this is, but let's get into it. This is Jordan, and it's just a mashup of I'm too lazy to get up and actually prepare lunch. And I'm just so tired of them eating sandwiches. So we have some cracker, we have some cheese, and they're just gonna put that together and eat it. And then we have some more cracker with cheese in it, and then we have some trail mix over there, And then this is the yummy stuff. This is where we're talking about, you know, getting some nutrient in their body. So he's gonna have a peach. Is this peach? Yes, this is peach. He's gonna have a peach yogurt, and then he's gonna have a mandarin orange. And I feel really good as a mother because yeah. And then this is Jaxson. Jaxson opted for a fruit in a cup. I really wanted him to get fresh fruit, but he chose that. So, and then he's gonna have one of those Walmart yogurt tube situation. And then this is Destiny, and she went for the strawberry banana. This is the bomb, And these are from Aldi's. And then she's having the same situation. She has her mandarin and her water. Jaxson finally got his water going. Good morning, buddy. And he's having the same as Jaxson. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. A subscriber gave me this idea to toast the bagel with cheese. I don't know if this is cheese because it's not. I toasted the bagel, and don't mind these young box. Our water is hard, so it creates water stain on the young boxes. But I melted it, and I put it in the oven because I don't have those toaster oven on. So yeah. So basically, it's just toasted cheese, because someone told me to toast the cheese, put it on the bagel, put mayo and all that good stuff, and it's nice and toasty. Hopefully they like it. And so it's turkey, you know, all you're fixing. They're gonna have some, the toddler is loud, I'm sorry. They're gonna have some chips, trail mix, because they wanted trail mix this morning, and I gave them a little treat right here. So this is Miss Destiny. Let me see if it fits. Put these yum boxes. Push that in. Yeah. What else is blocking it? The chips. Okay. All right. And then they all have the same. These bagels are so fat. They don't want to. Okay. There you go. And then this is Mr. Jaxson. And then we have Jordan, or Jaxson, Jordan, and they're all having the same thing this morning. I have some new containers coming. A company reached out to me. I think they're called Good Bin. And stop. Okay, I'm coming. A company reached out to me. They're called Good Bin. I don't own any of their containers, so they're sending me containers for the kids for next school year. I don't think I'm going to use them this school year, but I'm going to do a review video. Not a review, but a container haul. And then another company sending me, I think Bento fresh or something like that. So I will show you guys when that comes. You guys ready for Thursday? Yes? All right, let's do this. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I'm excited. I hope you guys are having an amazing Friday and you guys have an amazing weekend. All right, let's get into this. So it's very easy. You know me, I do easy lunches. Do not mind the toddler. I strongly emphasize, do not mind the toddler. We're going to have banana with peanut butter and... We're going to have banana with peanut butter. What? We're going to have a sandwich with peanut butter and... What do you need?
Mommy.
You want me to open your pudding? Okay. Just a second, okay? All right. And we're going to have peanut butter and banana on bread. So this is Miss Destiny. It's just a sandwich. It's just a plain run-of-the-mill sandwich. And she's going to have pretzel. She's going to have pretzel and her, what is this, vanilla yogurt, and then she has her water. Jackson's having a pudding instead because he didn't want yogurt. And then Jaxson is having vanilla. Is that Jaxson? Yes. Vanilla pudding, and then Jordan is having chocolate. He's having chocolate. So, without further, what? No. So, this is the end of this lunch week. Thank you guys so much for your support. And I will catch you guys. They're having Spirit Week at their school this week. So today is hat day, and he chose
to wear 2 hats.
2 hats. Want to say bye?
Bye. I'll see you next